Hi from Antalya, Turkey. Here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Welcome to the Dirty 30s Club. Here's wishing you a fabulous year ahead. Your husband wants me to share a secret about you, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to fall for these husband tricks. But I have two vivid memories that I'd like to share. I'm not sure if the others would get it, but I'm sure you and Sidhu surely will. One is this trip to Goa when we were really small, and we had these haldi homemade face masks. We applied them and we sat in front of the big fan, the table fan, and suddenly Serena's face starts scratching and she turns red like a tomato, and I was so shit scared. But that's memory one. And the second memory was, I think, when again we were really small, we were kids. You had come over to our place at Evrard. It was one of our birthdays, I think, and we took you to the park. So we took you to the park, and then we were on the merry-go-round, and I started rolling it faster and faster, and you fell off. I don't know how, but I got scared again, and I was so like, are you okay, this, that, and we wanted to ensure we don't tell our parents back home. Those are the two memories I have of you as a little baby. But anyways, I just want you to have a great year ahead. Someone wise once told me that 30s is the new 20s, and that is something I've abided by. So all the best to you and have a great day.
Happy 30th birthday, Sharada. May God bless you and may you enjoy many more to come. I know I have to say one dark secret about you, but I really don't know anything. I would only say loads of love to you. Love you.
Hi Seru, many happy returns of the day, and I wish you all the happiness in the world. And Vinay has told to reveal one of your secrets, but I don't know much of your secrets. Only one secret I know, that is how much badly you were in love with our MD of Smart City. Now please don't kill me for this.
Happy birthday, Seru. Have a great day and an awesome year ahead of you. Thank you for always being an amazing friend to me. Thank you for the constant love, the care, the support. I know that I can always count on you, even though we aren't in touch that much because, well, we are adults and we have busy lives. But I always remember our Bosco days and our college days. We had so much of fun. Well, if I were to share secrets, there are so many. But I always remember this one thing that really cracks me up. I remember that when we were in Bosco's, I think that you went into the adjoining room with your then lover or whatever you want to call it. And I remember you came back being so flushed and so red in the face, because I think that you guys, were getting busy. And it was just so amusing at the time because we were all so young, and it was such a new concept, this whole thing of dating and boys. And I'll never forget it, because it's like through everything that we went through, we actually learned so much through life, through our experiences, whether they were good, bad, funny, ugly, whatever it is. And through everything, I know that I will always have that friend in you. I know that you will always have entertaining stories for me, and likewise me for you. So here's me wishing you all the very best. I know that our 30s are going to be rocking. I mean, that's what I heard. So far, it's been really good for me, and I know it's going to be fantastic for you as well. So just wishing you all the very best and sending you lots and lots of love from Goa. Bye.